about how you've experienced Ayurveda anytime, especially being in the Sacred Vitality Club. How have you found it this past year? Like, what's really transformed for you?
Good question. Thanks for asking, Amrita. I have found it to be supportive. I mean, you know that this whole process of growing up is a lot in our bodies, and I have found the little nuggets to be the most impactful, the little moments of being able to ask questions about to put this with that or to do this or not that. It feels like there's so many different factors involved in this life, it seems, that the food has been a huge one for me.
Yeah. It all helps to keep you aligned and really like able to do, I expect, your spiritual work and to live to your fullest, most zestiest aliveness.
Zestiest aliveness, yeah, vital. I have had times in my life where the process of, the process in the body has been more intense, less intense, and you've really offered me some great counsel, some really good guidance when it comes to where the energy in the body goes first and then where it can go next, as far as like, once we have everything sustained on the inside, then we can do the things on the outside when there's leftover, It's helped me prioritize energetically. I would recommend you and anything that you do to everyone, Amrita.
Thank you.
Yeah, you know what you're talking about, but you also are kind and loving, which absolutely makes the medicine go down much smoother.
Aw, thank you so much, Cody. It's been wonderful working with you too.
Yeah.
Thank you. Bye.